Hey, it's Anissa, and today I am sharing with you an amazing deal. Not on just one, but two of the Atomic Beam Sun Blasters. Now, these are a great item to have for any home. Let's take a look at the commercial.
It's hard to see when you're outside at night, but it's such a pain to install a light. Hi, I'm Hunter Ellis, and this is Atomic Beam Sun Blast, the new solar-powered light that's super bright. Atomic Beam Sun Blast lets you add a light anywhere. No wires, no pliers. Just stick it up. The industrial adhesive mounts to almost any surface instantly. And the atomic solar panels charge the built-in lithium-ion battery quickly, even on a cloudy day. That means no electricity bill and no batteries to replace. Then the motion sensor turns on the light when you get near and automatically turns off the light when you disappear. This state-of-the-art sensor can detect movement from up to 25 feet away, so it's a great security light too. Look, here's a best-selling outdoor solar light, and here's the super bright Atomic Beam Sun Blast. Just look at the difference. And our unique wide-angle design covers much more ground, lighting the sides as well as in front. Stick it up on the garage, and it turns on when you pull in, then turns off when you're gone. The heavy-duty construction is weatherproof, so it shines bright all year round. And the super bright LED flat panels can last a lifetime without burning out.
Now remember, our deal gets you two of these amazing lights. Think of all the places you can use them in your home and stock up, because you're never gonna see a price as low as we have it today.